Hey, hi everyone. I hope you're fine and super healthy. So today I'm going to make you understand that how homeopathic medicine should be taken. If you are taking homeopathic medicines, let's see this video is helpful for you. So generally, normal tablets are given in once in a day, twice in a day, or thrice in a day in this format. The normal tablets which are given, you just buy from the medical or pharmacy, and those medicines are the seal packed medicines in which you break the seal pack and you take it with the water. But homeopathic medicines are given differently. Here, these medicines you won't get in a seal packed manner. Generally, a doctor who is a registered practitioner, he himself gives those prescription or those medicines from his clinic. This is why, because the dispensing of the homeopathic medicines is very critical, and to protect the authentic nature of the medicines, generally doctors prefer to give by themselves, so that the medicines should be very intact, like it shouldn't be contaminated or it shouldn't be with any form. Second thing, the homeopathic pills, generally the touching to the pills is not allowed. It disturbs the medicinal quality. So generally these are given into the bottle. These pills, you don't have to touch the pills, you just have to open, give a tap on the bottle, and just 2-3 pills are coming out. You have to put on your tongue and chew it like a chocolate, or just keep it on the tongue. It dissolves automatically. Now you don't have to touch, then even you don't have to take these medicines with the water. So there should be a gap before 10 minutes of taking the pills, and after 10 minutes of the taking the pills, you don't have to eat anything or drink anything. This is the simple you have to rule, you have to follow it. So generally you should take the first dose in the morning time before brushing. Why before brushing? Because since night you have not ate anything, you have not drink water too much, so your tongue is very clean. It doesn't have any effects with the food or food ingredients or even the water molecules. So that's why generally the first dose should be taken before brushing, and after medicine you can brush your mouth after 10 to 15 minutes. So this generally you should follow while taking the homeopathic medicines. Later doses, like second dose or third dose or fifth dose, this you should take in between of your work or any other thing, because again you have to follow the rule, like 10 minutes before and after taking the medicines you don't have to eat anything. So generally what happens with the many patients in this busy schedule, that in the work they do not remember to take the medicines, but as soon as they become free, they have to make their lunch or like any snacks or breakfast or dinner time is there, and again they forgot to take the medicines. So I generally advise them to take the medicines during the work. I know it's difficult because once you engrossed in the work, it's difficult to take it. But generally, it saves your time, because if you take it in the work, first of all, it doesn't let you that, oh, I have taken medicines. It's the sweet pills. You just have to put on your tongues. And the second thing, that the 10 minutes before, after that, you have to remember that you doesn't need to remember during your any food time or any your lunch or snacks time. So I personally feel it's a great way to take the medicines as per this. Also,